For a while, the internet made it sound like AI was replacing people, replacing designers, replacing engineers, replacing creativity, replacing thinking. But the more I've used AI, the more I've realized something important. The people getting the most value from AI usually aren't the people avoiding thinking. They're the people thinking deeply. I think one of the biggest misunderstandings about AI is that people believe the tool is the advantage. But tools alone rarely create value. Thinking creates value. Judgment creates value. Experience creates value. AI simply accelerates what's already there. If your thinking is unclear, AI scales confusion. But if your thinking is structured, AI becomes incredibly powerful. I use AI to organize ideas, not because I can't think, but because complex ideas become easier to structure when I can externalize them. What used to stay trapped in my head can now become visible. I use AI to test concepts faster, to explore possibilities and pressure test systems. I use AI to think through problems from multiple perspectives. I use AI to improve structure, not just visually, but logically. Better structure creates better decisions. I use AI to refine workflows, to reduce friction and connect systems together. My goal is to create clarity between ideas, processes, and outcomes. And maybe most importantly, I use AI to accelerate learning because learning compounds. Every system I build improves the next one. This part matters. AI does not replace knowledge. It does not replace experience. And it definitely does not replace judgment. Those things still matter deeply because AI can generate answers, but it can't truly understand context the way humans do. It doesn't carry lived experience. It doesn't understand consequences. That still comes from us. I honestly don't think the people who benefit most from AI will necessarily be the best coders. I think it'll often be the people who understand problems deeply, the people who can see systems. They understand flow, identify constraints, structure ideas, and make good decisions. Because AI becomes far more powerful when paired with clear thinking. To me, the real advantage isn't AI alone. It's the combination of human understanding and machine acceleration. That combination changes things, not because it removes thinking, but because it allows good thinking to move faster. I think that's the mindset shift. AI isn't here to replace your mind, it's here to amplify it. So don't stop learning, don't stop thinking deeply, don't stop building judgment. Because those things are becoming more valuable, not less. Use your mind, use AI, create more value.